Hi guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. Today is a really special video because I'll be showing you guys my Valentine's Day haul from my favorite lingerie brand, that's Zivame. You guys might have seen my previous Zivame haul and a lot of you guys really liked the video and also asked me dozens of queries about it. I'm really happy that you guys found it really interesting because I feel that lingerie is such a important part of our everyday lives. You cannot just unsee a good lingerie and it's very important to get your hands on good branded ones. In the market there are so many brands, but I think Zivame still holds a very special place in my heart. This time it's a Valentine's Day lingerie haul and I picked some of the pieces from their new collection that just came out for this occasion, which is their Shades of Love collection. It has like ruched straps, intricate pretty lace detailing. There are a huge number of bras that you can get in this collection, but they are of course in particular shades of like pink, red and coral and white. So these are very lacy, very special day bras. So of course this is all fancy. If you are looking for something like a very special occasion one, this is perfect for you. I liked some of the pieces a lot and I felt I need to get my hands on them. I just wanted to show you guys what I got and what I think about the pieces, and the box just came today, so I was very excited about it. I feel Zivame is one of my favorite brands for lingerie because of the fact that it's a very inclusive brand and they have something for everyone. There's no particular style or color they stick to. They have amazing size range. You have different cup sizes that you can choose from. Even if you're a more heavy bust person, you can also get a variety of nightwear, activewear, dresses, different stuff, and they are such an innovative brand, so they keep on bringing up new products and collections all around the year, so love them. Zivame has an absolutely discreet packaging. Even on the front you have all the prices and everything, but they do not tell you what it has, so thumbs up Zivame for that kind of a thinking. Once I open it up, all my products are in like this, so very excited about that. I have total 4 products inside. I'll be showing you guys the Shades of Love collection, which is their Valentine's Day collection we just launched right now, and I was very excited about the pieces that I got. So this is the first one. Now this comes in separate packages like this, so I cut this out and my product is in here. First product that I have here is this gorgeous bra. This is a fuchsia pink color bra. This is a padded but non-wired bra, and I know a lot of you guys asked me about non-wired and wired problems. A lot of people with heavy bust have a problem that if they wear wired bras they have pain in their shoulders and the back area, and I know that's a very common problem. So you can go with this kind of a bra. This is padded, so of course you won't have any issue, but this is completely non-wired. So just see here, there's no wire here, it's just completely flexible. So what I love about this particular bra is material is just amazing. Just love the detailing. It's like a satin finish bra, very soft, and it also has a floral kind of pattern on the top. It just gives it such a gorgeous like feel. Love it. This one does not have detachable straps. Of course this is just this is not a strapless bra, but I think that's alright for me. And this one retails for rupees 9.95. I feel the pricing is amazing, and my size is a 38C, so I'm a heavy bust person, so that's a standard sizing. I absolutely love it. Coming to my second bra from the Shades of Love collection, and perhaps the favorite one is this gorgeous piece here. Love this one. This one is their like coral pinkish colored bra, and this one has amazing ruche detailing on straps, and the lacy part is just so damn sexy. So I absolutely fell in love with this bra. This has amazing lace detailing all over, and even at the bottom like you have lace detailing here, and you also have a gold pendant here which says Z for Zivame. Love the ruching here, just look at this. So there's a ruching here, and then you have like strap which is resizable. You can always loosen and tight according to your requirements, no problem with that at all. So damn gorgeous. This one is also in the size 38C. Even with the different products, the sizing still remains standard, so the design will not affect your fit much as such, so that's just a yay. I can close my eyes and pick up the size and I don't have to worry. This one retails for 1295, which I feel is completely worth it considering the fact that this is such a special bra. It does not have detachable straps, but you do get a lot from this particular Shades of Love collection which are detachable. So if you are looking for a strapless sexy bra, that one also you can get in this collection. Absolutely love this bra. and I think a very recommended one for anyone who's looking for something special this Valentine's. So the next two bras are more from the general collection. I just got them because these were more comfy and for regular wears. The next bra that I have is also a non-detachable bra, is this pink number. Love this one. This is perfect for regular wear because it's a t-shirt bra. It's padded, of course, but it's like a very light padded. It has lace detailing on the back, so you have like all this lace here, which is like gorgeous lace. It's more like a bright pink color, and I absolutely love this one. Again, resizable straps but not detachable. This one in particular is a very affordable bra because this is a regular wear bra. This retails for $449 only, and I think it's amazing. Like a t-shirt bra can like be so pretty, and I felt that it just went with like the Valentine's Day theme. I wanted all pinks or like corals or something on that shade. This is very comfortable because of the fact this is like cottony material, not very fancy, but I love the lace detailing at the back because it just makes it a little more like sexy on the feels. This is also in the size 38C. I just picked up the same size for all the bras because I want it for myself. This is a wired one, so this one was this. Okay, so with that we are at our last bra. The last bra is this one. This is a regular wear, a non-padded bra. This one is a blush colored but essential bra from their collection, and I absolutely love it. I also got it in the same size 38C, and this one retails for rupees just $3.99. I felt it was amazing. I love the color. It's just so cute, and also love that this is a very soft material, like super baby soft material. And you can also see detailing here a bit. There are like pretty small flowers here which just look so cute. This is also non-wired, so there's no wiring here. So if you are a person who likes essential or needs essential cutesy bras, this is the one to go for. You can always get detachable ones. They are all available on Zivame.com. So yeah, this one was the last one and one of my favorites from the collection. So many more collection. I got confused and I just thought I'll end up spending too much of money because there is so much to choose from. You have like wide varieties of lingerie in all shapes, colors, sizes, and the designs are amazing. There's also lots of cool new nightwear that has arrived. The Shades of Love collection is very exclusive, and of course it's a limited time, so please get your hands on the collection if you are loving the collection as much as I did. I've just shown two. I think they have more, 6 or 7 they have in total, so you can get your hands according to the designs you prefer, and they're all very pretty and very gorgeous. If you are looking for a special occasion lingerie, this collection is a must have. So Zivame has this very special gift card option for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and gift your special one through this gift card. So in case you are not sure what the person wants to buy and you don't want to choose it for her, this is the perfect thing to do. Just go ahead and get gift cards according to the occasion that you are looking for. Also, there's a very special Valentine's Day gift card for you. Men out there, if you are looking for gifting the lady in your life a really special lingerie that's special, unique, and of her choice, go ahead and go to Zivame.com and go to their gift card section. You can see that there are occasions that you can choose from, and Valentine's Day is the same one. You just need to go ahead and send a Valentine's Day card, and then you can decide when you want to schedule it for. You want to schedule it for today, you want to schedule it for on Valentine's Day. You can choose it just like that. You can just add a really sweet love note to your special lady with the gift card, and that's just a perfect Valentine's Day gift. So you can get all that and more on Zivame.com, and also download the Zivame app from the Play Store for your mobile and check out the collection. They have some amazing offers going for Valentine's Day. Please don't miss it out before 14th of Feb. So guys, with that we are done with today's video. Hope you guys really liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please press on the bell icon below to get a regular notification every time I upload a video. I will be linking down the links for all the lingeries that I showed in my haul down in the description box, so that if you like any of these, you can go ahead and purchase it yourself. I will be also linking down all my social media accounts, so you can go ahead and like and subscribe everywhere, so that you can follow me for all the future updates of the content that's coming up on my blog and my YouTube and my Instagram. So everything will be down in the description box below. Please don't forget to like me, follow me, subscribe me for more updates. And with that, we're done with today's video. Hope you guys have a fabulous week ahead. Ciao!